Today I'm playing the roulette system I came across on the Roulette Masters channel. It is called 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You place 5 units on a double street, 4 units on a corner, 3 units on a street, 2 units on a split, and you place 1 unit on one number. If you lose, you double. If you win and have a new session profit, then you go back to the original bet. If you have 0, you count that as a loss and you double. It's important that you keep the previous profit in mind. If you lose again, you do not double, but you raise each bet with 1 unit with which you started in the different places. So 5, you raise with 5, and 4 with 4, etc. Here, you increase each bet again by 1 unit. So here I win, and I choose to go back to the original bet to reduce the risk even though I don't have the previous profit yet. I think you understand this roulette system by now, so let's play some more and see what it can bring. Towards the end of this video, I will give my honest opinion on this strategy. The 8 minutes of playtime are almost over, but I want to play a little longer to see how this works out. I think this is an original system to play. Of course, the risk remains very high if you have to raise every time, although it is not the case that you have to double every time. And as always, the advice: stop when you are in profit. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.